Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadhai. Today I'll be telling you how to make fruit cream without using milk or cream. I know you must be wondering that how can we make fruit cream without using cream? Yes, it's possible. This is a quick and a simple dessert recipe which is relished by everyone. So let's see how to prepare it. To make a fruit cream, I'll not be using cream or milk, rather I'll be using vanilla ice cream. So firstly, you need to soften the ice cream at room temperature. Vanilla ice cream gives really creamy consistency. It will actually take just 5 minutes to prepare this yummy fruit cream. So once the ice cream gets soft, then to this we'll add all our favorite fruits in it. I'm adding these diced mangoes. Then add diced bananas. And after that, here goes my kiwi. Kiwi gives nice green color. I have kept few kiwis for garnishing. And then I'm adding this tutti frutti. You can even add pomegranate seeds for red color. And after that, we'll be adding some chopped nuts. I'm using pistachios and walnuts. You can add almonds, cashew nuts, any other berries of your choice. And the simplest step, you have to mix everything nicely. So no need to add sugar or mix the cream and the milk. It's a very simple procedure. You can quickly prepare this fruit cream recipe once you have guests at home or you want to prepare a quick cold dessert during this summer season. I'm adding few more mango pieces along with banana. You can add any other fruit of your choice, be it strawberries or peaches, whatever fruit you like, you can add that in your fruit cream. And after mixing the fruit cream well, then we'll refrigerate it at least for 3 to 4 hours till it is chilled. We need to serve it completely cold and chilled. It's been 3 hours and my chilled fruit cream is ready to serve. I will transfer it in the glasses in which I want to serve it. And now comes the part to garnish my fruit cream glasses. So firstly, we'll add few chopped kiwi pieces into it. And then we'll top it with few nuts. And finally, we'll add few pieces of tutti frutti. So here is my chilled, absolutely simple, very quick fruit cream ready to serve. It does not need cream or milk. You can simply prepare a yummy, creamy fruit cream recipe using vanilla ice cream. Make your family and kids happy by serving this yummy dessert recipe today. So do give it a try. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please do give us a thumbs up, like our videos, share our videos, and if you want to watch more such interesting recipes, then click on the links which are flashing on the screen here. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.